gonna start from the entrance. So once we open the door, this is my hallway. So we have the bathroom here on the left, then the bedroom, and then the living/kitchen area. I have this big mirror. I just have my mask hanging from it right now, but hi guys! So first we have the bathroom. So I'm just going to give you guys a bit of an overview. This is a 1-bedroom apartment, so it's not very large, but it works for me. The counters actually used to be dark, and I got contact paper and made it like a nice marble finish, so yeah. And then over here we just have some of my makeup brushes in a little thing I made. I have hand lotion, I have to buy soap today. And then over here I just have my little toothbrush station and some soap, and yeah. And then above the toilet I have this like cabinet thing, and it just holds all of my skincare products and hair products. On the top I have one of my daily face moisturizers, some Q-tips, toilet paper, and then down here in this little section I have an organizer set I got from IKEA. I just have some Q-tips, some nail trimming stuff, jewelry and hair ties, have some LUSH, and then these little guys have followed me around forever, and they're just really cute little shells. Yeah, and then in the box that they're sitting on I just have more jewelry. And then over here next to the toilet where the bathtub is, I have my shampoo and conditioner. I used to work at a beauty supply store, so I got really used to trying different products, and the macadamia hair stuff just works for me a different way. I love it so much. Yeah, and then over in this corner I just have this little metal thing from the dollar store, and I put some fake plants in it and my body wash. I have another fake plant, a body scrub, and a hair mask by Serena Key, which is effing awesome. And then up here I just have like more body wash, conditioner, and this stuff is magic, guys. If you need to tone your hair, I recommend the silver conditioner. It's supposed to be like a pigmented conditioner, so it actually comes in different colors too, and it's meant to keep up with your hair color. So if you have red hair, you can buy a red conditioner, blue, purple, pink, but I just like the silver one because it helps tone my hair really well. Yeah, and then to the hallway. I do play music, so I have some musical instruments. I have a piano now. My dad gave it to me for my birthday, and it's actually one of my new obsessions. I love playing it. I've loved playing piano for a long time, but like now that I have it in my own unit, like it's so much more fun to just play by myself. And then down here I have my guitar. Haven't played my guitar in a while, but we're working on that. And then over here I just have my little shoes rack I got from the dollar store a few years ago, and one of my laundry bins. And over here I've been meaning to hang this up, but I have these two like framed pieces of art, and when I went to Amsterdam in Germany I bought these like maps of the city and stuff. So I've been wanting to hang this up somewhere, but I'm not so sure where to put it yet, so I'm working on that. So yeah, when you come in, it just looks like this. And then we make our way over to the living room area. And yes, I have a parking garage right across from where I live. So no, I don't get to have a really nice view living in Toronto, but it's decent enough for me. It's alright. So first, when you walk into the living room, this is my little overview. So we have the little dining table. This was actually my old desk and I just turned it into my dining table. So yeah. And I just have some placemats. This little tray I got from the dollar store. The flowers are from the dollar store. This little thing it's in is from the dollar store. Yeah. Just made a cute little setup. And then over here we have this cool bookshelf. So I bought this bookshelf from IKEA. And I think it's around $100. I'll link which shelf it's called in the description. But up here, I just have a couple of empty wine bottles. One of my plants that's been doing great for a really long time now, like maybe 3 years, he's still alive. The thing he's sitting inside of is from H&M. And then I just have these two little organizing bins up here. One of them is wicker, and then this one's just plastic. I have a lot of papers since I'm an artistic person. I draw a lot. I have construction paper, all kinds of things, so I needed a place to put them. On the second shelf, we have more organization bins. These are also from IKEA, and I will link them in the description with the price. They're really classy. They kind of have this like sheen to them that's reflective, and they just look really clean and organized, so I love these. Over here it's a bit clustered. Just have this watering pot thing, also from IKEA, and this fake artificial plant is from IKEA. And then over here, this light is from the dollar store, believe it or not, from Dollarama. I got this cool rock from the exhibition, and then have a little cacti thing I planted, a DIY I did, a rock. I really like crystals, a painting, a room spray, and a fake plant. And then down on the third shelf, I have some candle stuff from IKEA as well. This lantern thing's from the dollar store. This is a terrarium I planted, but he's currently dying, like really badly. Over here I got a picture of Elvis and fake plant from the dollar store, a makeup bag, and what looks like a GoPro but isn't a GoPro. It's like a $50 action camera from Shoppers Drug Mart. I use it once in a while. And then the thing it's sitting in is also from IKEA, so I love it. And then down on this shelf, it gets a little messier the lower you go. I got my buzzer phone for my apartment. This is a mask I made. Sometimes I flip it this way. This is the inside of it. But if we reveal the outside, it's quite shiny. It kind of reminds me of Mad Max. That was what I was inspired by, and a little bit of Lady Gaga. But yeah, I actually made this in high school, so it was pretty cool. Lots of fun. I have a few LUSH books. That one's falling. That's a Christmas present that I never gave my friend yet, so we're just gonna give it to her this Christmas because we didn't get to see each other. And then another IKEA storage bin. These are awesome. And then this is like a Michael Kors bin. I can't remember where it came from or why I had it. And then, yeah, down here it just gets more random. I'm not really gonna explain what's down there, but I have a lot of art supplies, so they really have to fit somewhere. And yeah, so that's how I kind of decorated the shelf. yeah, I like it that way. That's how I like to have it. And then over here, where I put the watering thing. So this is my couch, and in front of it I'm using an old antique toy box. It was passed down from my grandmother. We used to keep instruments in it, but now I just use it for blankets. I have a fluffy rug on top. And then over here, I have another plant that I made a terrarium for. Some pine cones for fall, a candle. This thing it's sitting on, it's starting to get wrinkly now, but it used to be a piece of wood that I put marble paper on top of. But since everyone's been putting their glasses on it, it's kind of getting wrinkly now. So I might have to do something about that, but over here I just have this like marble slab and then a piece of wood on top. And then these are cool little cards I made. They say different messages on them. They're kind of just little inspirational cards that you can look through, and I leave them on this little coffee table so people can play with them and stuff. This blanket came from my parents' house, so I don't know. I think my grandmother made that too. I'm not totally sure. Or they might have bought it, I'm not sure. Just have a bunch of throw pillows, a couple blankets, and then on the window ledge I have Bath & Body Works candle. This book, I actually found it to not be too exciting, so I don't know if I would recommend this book. It's mostly just a bunch of things this person listed off that makes them happy, like wine and tea and reading a book. It's just like kind of random. There's no story or even paragraphs. It's just random lines of what makes this person happy. So yeah, if you want to flip to a random page, it's kind of a cool book. Then I have this piece of driftwood I painted white and I put some nails in it. I was originally going to hang it up on the wall and hang my jewelry from it, but just haven't got around to that. And I got this little thing in Niagara Falls. Super cute. It's got a beaver on it. And we have some shells and my mirror, which I need to clean.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors.